So the Cubot King Kong ES is another budget rugged device that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and also anyone working in a very harsh environment. This device is currently sold for just $150 on AliExpress. It's very cheap, and of course it is equipped with impressive specifications. Anyway, let's explore the top features of the Cubot King Kong ES. So at its core, the KingKong ES boasts a powerful Octa-Core Unisoc T606 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Of course, this processor is just an entry-level processor, but still could be able to handle some apps and games without any efforts. Its generous 6GB RAM, expandable up to a whopping 16GB, guarantees seamless app management. Storage won't be an issue with the 128GB of internal memory, further expandable up to 1TB with a microSD card. Its 6.56-inch HD Plus display, refreshing at 90Hz, delivers vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling for an immersive viewing experience. Now in the camera department, you could capture stunning moments with the 48MP main camera featuring face detection autofocus for rapid focus, accompanied by a 2MP macro camera for intricate details. The 16MP front camera ensures you look your best in selfies and video calls. Do not expect much from the performance of the camera because this is a budget rugged device, but like I mentioned earlier, it should be able to take decent photos and videos. The KingKong ES is equipped with a massive 5100 mAh battery, supporting 18 watts fast charging to keep you powered all throughout the day. Its rugged design, measuring 12.8mm thick and weighing 268 grams, ensures durability without sacrificing comfort. Other features like Bluetooth 5.0, magnetic sensor, and light sensor enhance usability and convenience. And the device is IP68 and IP69K compliant. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are the top features of the Cubot King Kong ES. Like I mentioned earlier, it's available on AliExpress for just about $150. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description and also in the comment section. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.